Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. Print bed. This is a polycarb-like material. On one side, it's shiny. On the other side, it's frosted. The frosted side always goes up, or the shiny side goes down, however you want to remember it. If you've printed before, in this case it's a brand new printer, but if you've printed before and there's some old plastic stuck on here, you're going to want to take the little sanding block that we have, and you just want to do that for a minute. And that will get the plastic off of here. A lot of people are like, oh my, that's going to scratch the print bed. That's okay. When this is a little bit rougher, it's going to work better. If it's shiny, you only print one time. The print may never come off. So on this side, you can clean it that way. Do not use acetone. Do not use other chemicals other than an alcohol. You can use a Windex with ammonia, or you can use alcohol, denatured alcohol, and that will clean this nicely. But if you notice that some of the frosting came off, take your sanding block, do that for a few minutes, it's going to be just like new again. So we're going to take this bed and we're going to slide it onto the printer. We're going to slide it into the back so you can see where it slides under this guide. And in the front you'll see there's a small gap up here. We're going to take our binder clips, they look like this, and we're going to put those on each side just like this. So something you want to notice, if I press this over to the side on the x-axis, you can observe where the tip is very close to this edge. That's a good thing. So this bed is not perfectly centered in here. You want to make sure you have this pushed over to the side and line this edge up with the tip before you clamp this down. And you only want to clamp the two clips in the front. And now you are ready to print.